Hi, thank you very much for clicking my video. My name is Maki. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa Siargao. Actually, paalis na ako dito but I just want to vlog yung Blosset 2. This is where we stayed at. Ayan. Ito tour ko kayo. Kasi meron din silang mga motor na you can rent out. Nag-rent din kami dito. So, parang andito na sila all in one. So, you'll be greeted by the prettiest reception people. And tapos pwede kayong bumili doon kapag may nakalimutan ka. Although, sa labas ka nalang bumili kasi mahal dito. Staff only. Tapos, you'll be greeted pagkatapos mo mag-check-in. Check-in starts at 2 p.m. Tapos,
check out at 10
10.
Yes po.
Super nice nila dito, as in, naalagaan kami ng very good. Thank you. And tapos, pasok tayo dito. So, this is how it would look like. Parang dalawang villa, tapos merong kitchen sa likod. It's pretty much the same, tapos may dalawang pool. So, doon tayo sa, papakitaan tayo ng isang villa later. Kasi it's just the same sa lahat. Tapos may pool ditong isa, tapos may pool din doon sa likod. So, pwede kang magstay dyan. Tapos may ilaw siya pag gabi. So, it's maganda yung lighting niya. Yung very cozy feel. Tapos yan, yun yung mga units. Tapos ganito siya, tahimik. Ang gusto namin tahimik. Tapos yung may security sa gabi na talagang parang every hour lumilibot. So it's really nice. May access naman siya sa internet. So, ito yung itsura nung parang kitchen. And this is where we stayed at. Dito yung kasama ko, sila Thea. And then the other one, dun sa kabila, yung sa amin. Ayan, tapos hello po.
Hi! Welcome to Blosset!
Ayan. Sila yung tumulong sa amin dito kasi pag may mga bata, syempre kailangan. Ayan. So this is where we stayed at. Nililinis dahil ano. Kasi ito yung isang pool. Ayan. Most of the time, dito kami talaga the entire time. Tapos nagpicture nga na ng ambience, tapos merong banana. It's really nice, pati yung lighting sa likod. So, kasamahan tayo ni ate. To show yung 19th. Kasi isa lang, kasi similar lang siya sa lahat ng units. So when you go in, hello po. Ito siya, may bed dito na malaki, parang queen size or dalawang double na pinag-isa. Tapos may table, ang lamig ng aircon which is nice. Tapos yan, CR yan. Wait, tampon tayo na mamaya. Tapos, meron silang, we were able to use this, it's working naman. Mga pwedeng lagayan. Tapos, bed siya. Bunk beds. So, ang daming saksakan. So, which is very nice. Tapos, this is the CR. Ayan. Ayan. Again, uniform siya sa lahat. So, you're gonna be getting the same thing pretty much. Kasi yun, tapos kung gusto nyo talagang gumatos, ito yung mga bagay-bagay nila. You can just check yung prices there. I-pause nyo na lang. But, this is not, we paid for everything, walang discount, walang ano. I just really wanted to share yung experience namin because it has really been good. Maalaga yung staff, which is thank you, salamat. And maganda talaga dito, aalagaan ka, tapos very close siya sa lahat. Unfortunate lang na unang dating namin kasi hindi namin alam na fiesta pala. So, nung fiesta, wala kaming masyado makainan. But eventually, after the fiesta, okay naman siya. Tapos yes, maraming mga ka-afaman test. So, yan. It's nice here. Thank you, ate.
You're welcome!
Yan, very nice yan si ate. Kakaririn natin ng pag-vlog dito because it's nice. Ayun lang. If you want to stay in it's not cheap. It's not that expensive. Meron silang Blosset 1 na talagang pang maharlika na hindi namin afford. Eto, affordable. If you want comfort, if you want security, if you want na okay yung staff, na aalagaan ka talaga, you can stay here. You can definitely stay here. And yes, sobrang itim ko na. Yun lang. So, again, I'll put down all of their details. We booked it via Klook. I know, via Airbnb. I'll put down their link below, yung Airbnb link nila plus yung Facebook page nila. Yun lang. Salamat. That's it. That's Blue Set 2. Bye! Thanks, ate!
Welcome! Subscribe!
Lakas na bunga ako kasi wala masyadong tao. Naka-transfer na ako dito sa last accommodation ko kasi flight ko pa tomorrow is at 6:50 AM. Yung mga kasamahan ko nagpunta na ng Dapa para mag-ferry papunta ng Surigao and umuwi sa kung saan man sila papunta. But kasi ako yung flight ko, napaaga kasi sila dapat talaga bukas pa iuwi namin but I have to stick to my flight. 6:30 and wala akong mai-stay na iba so I just opted to stay here. I am currently at Naya Naya Villa Siargao. So madali lang siya Waze or Google, so it's really easy to go here. So ayun yung facade. Ayan. Ito yung sasalubong sa'yo. Tapos may I don't know how many units ang meron dito pero yan. So kapag nag-rent kayo ng motor, pwede dito i-park. Tapos this is what it looks like. Ayan. I'm in room 3 dito. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Pwede kayo magsampay ng mga bagay-bagay doon. And then here, pwede siguro kumain or do you offer breakfast, kuya? Ayun, pwede pala mag-breakfast dito, ganyan. Tapos si kuya, pinapatay ko yung music. Tapos you can get water here. Ayan. Kasi yung mga skateboard. Tapos I'll show you. Uniform naman po yung ano, diba? Yung mga kwarto. Ayan. So, ito yung kwarto. Yung room that is assigned to me. I'm on the 3rd. Ito lang siya. Brown out ba? May brown out? Okay, so na-timingan. Timing na nag-brown out. So yan, simple lang siya, di ba ang kalat ko. Higaan, tapos pag mag-brown out may automatic. Hindi nag-ilaw, so it is what it is. We're in Siargao. Tapos ito yung wow, ganda ng CR nila. Ngayon ko lang nakita actually. Nice. Ayan. So that's Naya Villa Siargao. So it's nice here. I'll have more to say for an overnight stay, but yeah. Thank you very much.